Hello friends, welcome back to JavaTCoding, and in this video we will talk about the Java functional interfaces. Yes, Java functional interface is introduced in Java 8. Is an interface that contains exactly the one abstract method. It is known as the functional interface. Abstract method means it does not provide any implementation. It is called the abstract method. A functional interface can have methods of object class. Functional interface can have the object class methods like toString, hash code, equals. These are the methods. All object class methods can have the functional interface. Functional interface is also known as the single abstract method interface or SAME SAM interface. So let's see with the example how we can use the functional interface in Java 8. So here is the we will see with the example how we can use the functional interface. So let's create the one interface save void say, and we will pass the one parameter and we will mark using the functional annotation. It's an optional, so if we mark this as a add functional annotation, so it is this interface is a functional interface. Also without, we can also say this is a functional interface. Why? Because it's an abstract method. It's having the one abstract method. So let's see. This is the class. Let's implement this interface. Let's implement the unimplement method. This is a functional interface. So let's create the object of the functional interface. Example new f dot say. We need to pass the parameter. So let's run this here. So here we can see. So what we need to remember, firstly we need to create the interface, and one inside the interface we need to create one abstract method. Abstract means does not provide any implementation. Also we can mark as a functional interface using the add functional interface annotation. Now after that we need to implement that interface and we need to add the unimplement method. We need to provide the implementation of this method. Also I told you a functional interface can have the any number of the object class methods. So like a string, toString, method, integer, hash code, method. These are the object class methods. Can have boolean, one more method I will show you. Boolean equals method object obj. So let's run this whether it's work or not. So we are getting the same output. So here as we can see, also we can provide any number of object class methods. It's an abstract class. It's an abstract method. These are the object class methods. It's a functional interface. So this is the in this way we can implement the functional interface. We can also use the functional interface to with the Lambda expression or to help with the functional programming. This functional interface will help the functional programming. So that's it from this video. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.